Hey guys, sanibona. So nangoqhawe phela usiyasuka ngumawethu lapho uyomtshela yonke into ukuthi ulwandle is the mall, and I'm not against uqhawe telling umawethu everything. My problem is that why should go behind Portia's back ukuthi hamba utshela umawethu i-boyfriend kaPortia why nganikezwe uPortia i-chance ukuthi ube uyena who tells umawethu first, because uPortia is eventually going to tell umawethu about this whole situation. I understand ukuthi uqhawe wayenze yonke lento ayenzile, and I want to talk about that and more here on this video. Before continuing with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down so that you can watch my first videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this. Yeah, eventually umawethu mangabe ethola ukuthi uPortia did not tell him the truth, abelazi aqhubeka kwalokudla kuyena bebezohlukana. But I think uqhawe uphaphile ngokwenza yonke lento, especially because she's mawethu's ex, so izobuya kabi yonke lento lokuPortia. And uPortia did say ukuthi qhawe, I'm telling this in confidence, I'm telling you this as a friend because I trust you. Now uqhawe uyagijima uyotshela umawethu everything. Yes, it was wrong of uPortia ukuthi angamtsheli yonke into umawethu, bekumele ngabe umtshele from when ebona umawethu laphana edayiwe being straight with Portia emsebenzini, bekumele uPortia akhuluma iqiniso. But no, she did not do that. Yeah, uqhawe did a good thing, but going behind Portia's back was not it. Now I got so scared umawethu ufonela uPortia pretending like he knows nothing, noPortia not knowing ukuthi umawethu yizini azaziyo. So meaning that the relationship kamawethu noPortia has ended because there's no way umawethu can be able to trust uPortia ever again, more especially since uPortia gambled with mawethu's future. Ngoba phela if kuwuthi you are my girlfriend and uyabona ukuthi ngisenkingeni, now my reputation has been ruined. Uzwaziwa njengomuntu ongathembakali because ngimole, stealing information from one company sending to another, so kuzophela kanjalo ngami. And uPortia decided to ignore all of that, azicabangele yena, meaning that she was selfish. So umawethu has no business trusting her ever again, which is going to lead to this relationship ending eventually. Guys, it should be there by any number. So comment in the comment section. You should know what do you think about this whole saga, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you're not TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end, and thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.